Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today my lovely husband will be doing my May Boxycharm unboxing. So I've been waiting to use this just because I wanted him to do this video with me. I did use, I think, 1 or 2 products in here, but he has no idea what's inside. He's never seen it before. I'm not going to tell him or help him. I do have a little bit of makeup on from earlier this morning, but he's just gonna use whatever's in the box, and yeah, he will unbox it for you.
The first thing we have is Per Sculpture.
It's pure.
No, there's no E.
It's pronounced pure.
Per. The 3-piece eye trio.
Good job. How much did they retail for?
$45. So now we have a big brush by,
I don't know, Aesthetica, I think it's called.
Aesthetica. That's the P12 face brush. That's worth $27 for this.
So these are from Aesthetica too, these 3 brushes.
And now we have the Cover FX blurring primer that costs $38. Now we have the matte lip gloss by Beauty Creations. It retails for $10. And then we have Pretty Vulgar.
Pretty vulgar.
The ink gel eyeliner. And that retails for $24. And then hidden in the box is a
Surprise!
A Pure Sculptor palette. $30. And there's just brown in there. Alright, so I think we're gonna start with the primer. So how do I apply this?
I can't tell you. And we're not going to be doing like foundation or anything. He's just going to use what's in the box. Maybe another time we'll do like a full face of makeup.
Full facial, yeah. So how do I put this on? Let's read the directions.
Are your hands clean?
Yeah, I washed them yesterday. Is that good?
Ooh.
You want to apply about half the bottle on your finger. You want to spackle it like mud on the drywall. And then just spread it around the face. And I always like to like go in the nose and do it also. In case somebody's going to be looking up your nose. And then all over the forehead. So right now I'm applying the primer all over the face. I think this side.
Do you know why you use primer?
So the other makeup could stick better.
Yes. And
Parts.
it like blurs out, some of them blur out your pores and stuff, so you can put your foundation on.
Oh yeah, I can't see your pores anymore. Alright, there. This hole is pretty small.
Mm-hmm. Because you don't use a lot of it, that's why.
Oh, I think I'm using too much.
I think so.
Because your face is like tinted already.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm using more.
Good. Gotta get it everywhere.
Okay. I'll let you get my hair.
Alright, we're done with the primer. These look like the inventor, the founder, the trailblazer, and the originator.
Oh, I thought you were making up names.
Alright, so now black list eyeliner. What's eyeliner?
Eyeliner.
That goes like the lines?
Sure.
I'm guessing. It's not gonna pour out or anything?
It's like a gel, kind of.
It looks like it's used.
Well, I used it.
Ah, you used it.
Yeah, I said that at the beginning. So you're more than welcome to use these brushes or those.
Wait, is this eyelash or eyeliner? So is that for this?
Eyeliner.
And there.
Does it say brow liner or eyeliner?
I don't know. Alright. What should we do first then?
Up to you.
We'll probably do this.
Yeah.
Use this new brush. Gotta make sure there's no excess anywhere. So you want to brush it out well.
I'm pretty sure the primer has already soaked in.
So there'll be clumps of primer everywhere and we don't want that. I think I'm gonna dip into that first brown as a starter.
What do you?
Oh, it's already on the brush.
Because you just dipped it in. Yep. Perfect. Look at you. You watch me. Oh boy.
Okay.
Oh boy.
So you want to dip the brush as much as you can. So there's a lot of, what's that called?
Okay. Where are you putting it?
Under the eyes. Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
Or no, doesn't it go right here?
Sure, wherever
On
you
the
want.
cheek?
I just want them to make sure they can see. I'm closing my eyes because I'm not supposed to see myself.
Let me do it on the other cheek first.
Okay.
So you can. Okay, that just looks like you have a bruised face. So you're gonna make your look a little dark. Oh jeez. That looks really bad. Close your eyes, don't look.
I'm not, my eyes are closed.
So how do you get it off if you don't want it?
You just blend it till it blends.
Okay, turn around. That one's blended.
Can you see what you're doing?
Yeah.
Tell them what you're doing.
So I'm trying to blend it because I put too much and I think it was too dark. Okay, that looks weird.
Is it even?
No, I gotta do something. I'm trying to make it look symmetrical. Which it's not working, so I think we're just gonna move on.
You're
Yeah,
done
I
using it?
think.
Okay.
Now I'm gonna use the lighter one, like in your eyelids.
Look at you!
So I'm gonna be using the Morphe M433 brush.
And show my shade.
I'm gonna try this top shade right there. Close your eyes and look down. Oh yeah, delicious. Okay, other eye. I feel like I'm like doing face painting or something.
It's a form of art.
Not what I'm doing. Okay, look at me. Close your eyes. Okay, now let's do some of this eyeliner. What, can we use the small brush?
Up to you?
We just dip it. Zip. Did you look?
No. I was just seeing how you were dipping.
You better. I just stuck it in there.
Yeah.
Like in paint. Oh my god. Oh, I messed up. Jeez,
Wait,
how do
I'm
you
trying
guys do
not
this on
to.
yourself?
Okay, I'm trying to be serious so I'm not shaking. It just feels funny. I'm not used to someone doing my makeup.
You look really scary. Oh, look at me. Look this way.
I'm crying.
Oh boy. Can I blend it out after?
You can do whatever you want.
Okay. So I'm just dipping it like that in the paint or whatever, the dip. Okay. Can you guys see?
That way.
Alright. Close them eyes.
Can they see?
Can y'all see? Alright. So you just do it with the eyebrows, no? Eyelashes?
Up to you.
Okay, let me try blending it because it looks really bad. What?
Go ahead.
Close your eyes and look down.
Oh, jeez.
It's not blending.
Can I give a suggestion?
Sure.
Don't use that brush.
Why not?
Okay, think about it. You just put a little bit of eyeliner, and if you use that huge brush, it's gonna really smudge it out. So if you wanna make it like a nice, like not my whole eye black, you would use like a thinner, more defined
I was
brush.
trying to do the whole thing.
Oh, you want my whole eyelid to be black?
No. I just wanted to kind of...
Well, yeah, if you use... Okay,
So I got a small brush.
there's that, or you could use the one that was in here.
Yeah, true.
Up to you. But I'm just giving you a suggestion.
Stop telling me what to do.
I'm just giving you a suggestion.
Now I'm gonna try to make that black line I did right there more rich and even and straight and better.
How does it look? Can they see?
Oh, it looks good on camera.
Mm.
Damn! So what's this? Let's just...
This is you can use for the brows.
It's okay. That's...
Just
Comb
another
brush thing.
suggestion. You kind of hold it.
Like that?
No. You usually take it like this and kind of brush your eyebrows because you don't really want to like to droop.
Well, I want it to slick like that.
Oh, okay.
I want it to slick down.
He's just testing out the brushes.
Yeah, I'm just testing out.
What are you
You
doing?
want to brush those eyelashes too?
Just another suggestion. This you use as an eyeshadow. This can also be used as a highlighter.
What's a highlighter?
Did you ever see my face like shiny in certain areas? Sparkly? Where?
Mm-hmm.
Where?
On your lips?
No! My face.
I don't know.
Not right now, I'm just saying. Highlighter
Under your
can-
light? Under your eyes?
No. Like cheekbones, right here. You can use it underneath underneath your eyebrows.
Let's experiment.
You could use other brushes too.
Let's go with that one and just highlight areas that I think will be highlighted.
Okay.
So can y'all see? So we're gonna do it under the eyes. What?
Nothing, just tickle.
Sure. That's what they all say. Let's do your forehead too.
Oh my god.
Actually, there's none under, so you should have like little.
Okay.
Okay, now the fun part, the lipstick. It's the Beauty Creations, and this color is Kiss Me. Am I gonna want to kiss you after this?
I don't know, it depends on how you do it.
Oh boy, okay. Let's try. Start from the middle and work our way around the lips. Keep your lips still.
Smells good. Wait, it just tickles. Okay.
Okay, this looks weird.
It's okay.
Look straight because you can't see it. Now can you open them a little bit or yeah, push them out like that? Do the ducky lip. You want to make sure it's a straight line throughout the whole lips, even if you have to get on the skin. Okay,
Stop
do it
your
again.
sound effects. It's already drying.
Yeah, it's dry. That looks like...
Are you done?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's bad. I don't know how to fix it. Okay, so I think we're all done with
Can I look?
the product. Wait. Let me see if I need to fix anything.
Beautiful?
Yeah.
Okay, where's the mirror? Dun, dun, dun. You did pretty good besides
The lipstick.
the lips.
I was trying to make them straight.
Ooh, that bronzer though, honey. The eyeliner. Can they see it? I have to zoom you in.
So
But overall, I'm proud of you. You've never done my makeup before. So overall, good job for your first time.
Thanks.
Thanks for joining me today. Thank you all so much for watching this video. We reached 1,000 subscribers, which I know for a lot of you isn't a lot, but for me, like starting from 0, it was like kind of like a slow pace, and finally reaching 1,000, it was so exciting. Thanks to my lovely husband for joining me for this video.
Subscribe.
Yes, don't forget to subscribe down below if you're new. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more of this guy.
If you like me.
Bye.
Bye.